Muling nagbigay mang update ang Queen of all media na si Kris Aquino tungkol sa kanyang health condition, partikular na sa kanyang autoimmune diseases. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram account, nagpost si Kris ng video kung saan makikita ang pag-apa-check-up niya sa isang ospital kasama ang anak na si Bimby. Ayon sa award-winning TV host-actress, sasailalim siya sa preventive isolation sa susunod na 6 na buwan para matutukan ang magiging resulta ng ginagawa mga treatment sa kanya. On purpose, matagal akong hindi nag-upload. I have to admit, if I told you what was happening, some of you may stop praying because my autoimmune diseases were increasing in number and my life-threatening ailments needed me to make a brave choice. Trust me, it's difficult to accept every night when I sleep that there may be no tomorrow for me. Simulang pagbabahagi ni Kris. Patuloy niya, my almost 2-month stay in this private beach property owned by a kind and generous family who want me to regain my health as well as strengthen my faith in God's merciful healing power, I came to a decision. I have another 6 to 8 hour infusion session in 6 days. It's one of the strongest autoimmune immunosuppressants, together with my 2 other, one taken daily and one given via injection, will totally wipe out my immunity. I will be in preventive isolation for 6 months. I live in our compound in Tarlac. My Kohongko cousins and I fondly call it Alto. Lahad pa ni Kris. Sa lahat naman ng mga nagtatanong tungkol sa kanyang mga anak na sina Joshua at Bimby, narito ang tugon ng aktres. Where is Kuya? Since the deaths of his Lola Cory, Lola P, and Tito Noy, seeing me frail, weak, often attached to my IV drip, Kuya is traumatized, visibly shaking, repeating, Mama, get well, I love you. For now, he is living with my genuinely super loving cousin. Bimb, now 18, has sacrificed much to take care of me. He is heaven's gift, my optimistic adult who reminds me I should never surrender. After a few more scheduled tests and treatments and my recuperation, Bimb and I are ready to reveal all and show you everything for the first time. Please continue praying, kailangan na kailangan ko. Thank you to both Makati Med and St. Luke's BGC, my doctors, their fellows and residents, the nurses assigned to me in the hospitals, my personal nurses, the many skilled technicians operating the high-tech machinery, and all who continue to believe gagaling pa rin ako. #tuloy ang laban. Ang buong pahayag ni Kris Aquino.